If you want to customize your Firefox new tab page with a clean, beautiful, and useful dashboard, then in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install the Tabliss new tab plugin in Mozilla Firefox. This is a quick and easy setup, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have Tabliss installed and ready to use in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right straight in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Firefox icon from your desktop, taskbar, or applications menu. Once Firefox opens, you're ready to install the extension. Next, go to tabliss.io in the address bar. Just type tabliss.io and press enter. This will take you to the official Tabliss website, which is the safest place to get the extension. Once the website loads, look for the option that says Add to Firefox. Click that button to begin the installation process. Firefox will then take you to the add-on confirmation page. On the Firefox add-on page, you'll see a blue Add to Firefox button. Click that blue button to continue. Firefox will now prepare the extension and show you a permissions prompt. Now take a moment to review the requested extension permissions. This is always a good habit whenever you install a browser add-on. Make sure you're comfortable with what the extension is asking to access, and then click Add in the pop-up notification to approve the installation. After that, Firefox will install Tabliss automatically. In just a few seconds, the extension will be added to your browser, and your new tab page will be ready to use. You can open a new tab to see Tabliss in action and start exploring its customization features. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Tabliss new tab plugin in Mozilla Firefox. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your browser looks and feels every day. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Firefox tips and software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.